welcome to another exciting video. In this video, what I'm going to focus mainly on is how to get fund for your trading, because I've seen this as a challenge. Not just that I've seen it, it has been and it has come to stay as a challenge for retail traders to get money to trade. Now, when I say to getting money, I don't talk about you funding your account $100, a $200, $300, $50, as the case may be. No, that's not what I mean. What I mean by getting money is when I mean by getting funded, having a real money in thousands in your account to trade. And believe me, there is this saying that you might not hear everywhere. And the saying goes this way: no money, no profit. Okay? No money, no profit. Low money, no money. So if you don't have money to trade, when I talk about have money, if you don't have enough fund to trade in Forex, forget it. This is the real truth I'm telling you. I know some people will be like, I'm flipping $100 account to $200 to $300. How long are you going to keep on flipping? No. And do you know the risk behind flipping? Flipping is a 50-50 game. It's that you lose and lose all. When you lose all. Then when you win, good and fine. You win multiple. So that's not the real story. That's not the real life in trading. Trading is a business that gives you the ability to make your decision in a way that is going to give you peace of mind. So whatever thing you're doing in the market and you don't have peace of mind, that is not trading. So that's why you need money. You need capital in order to be profitable in Forex. Okay, so that's why I'm going to focus this video on how you can get real money to be able to trade Forex. Okay, so not wasting your time, I'm just going to make it a short video. Then in the next video, I'm going to explain in details. So let me just go straight and point us. What I'm talking about is about proof firm. I know so many of you have heard about it, or some have not heard about it. Proof firm is like an organization that gives retail traders money to trade. And guess what? You have the higher percentage of the profits. Okay, so I know there are many of proof firm out there, and there are so many of them you must have heard about them. So we have my Forex fund, we have what is it called, E8 funding. Then those in Nigeria will have FT Niger. Okay, then we have name them, there are many of them. Okay, there are many of them. So get funded, I think as I'm remembering them, I'll be mentioning it. Okay, but the one I've tried is the one I'm going to explain how it works to you and also show you some proofs. Okay, the one I've tried. So I know there are many of them, but I haven't tried all. Okay, so I'm not gonna give you what I have not done. I'm going to give you to the stage and to the extent I've done. Okay, guys. So one of the ones that I've tried is my Forex fund. Okay, so it's my Forex fund is one that I've tried, and I'm going to leave the link below. If at the end of the video you find it interesting, you can go for it. Okay, so because I went for it. Okay, so this account you see now is my MT4. It's my Forex fund funded account. Okay, so let me show you this. This is what I have in the account. This is a 20,000 evaluation account. So what do I mean by evaluation? Now, this proof firms has different phases. Okay, we have the evaluation phase, acceleration, and rapid phase. So the evaluation phase is what I took. Okay, so you have to pay some couple of money. Probably in the next video, I'm going to explain each and every stage of it, because the account has sizes. So you pay a couple of money in the evaluation phase, but the money is refundable. Okay, so when you do that, you get one of the accounts. So why it's called evaluation phase is that they're going to give you a profit target. Like mine, what they gave me in this account is 1,600. That is 8% of $20 account. Okay, for the phase one. So my Forex fund has phase one and phase two. So the phase one, for a $20,000 account, you're gonna make a profit of 1,600, and that's just what I've just done. Okay, that's just what I've just done. So I have 1,600 profit made from this account. So you can see the history of the account, how it went. I lose, I win, I lose, I win, I lose, I win, I lose, I win. But remember, you have a profit target and you also have a daily losing target. For this $20,000 account, you can only lose 1,200 for the day. If your loss gets 1,200 for the day, if I'm right, that should be about 5%. The account is locked up. You have lost the account. So you must not lose up to $1,200 in a day from this very account. And in total, you must not lose up to 8% of the account. So I'm just giving us in brief. But let me show you. So here is the account. This is my Forex fund evaluation phase one. Okay, so I have done the phase one. This is the first stage. Remember what you are going for. You're going to get a live account whereby the profit you make will be shared between you and the pro firm. Okay, so for them to give you such live accounts, they need to test you to know if you actually know how to trade or if you're just gambling in the market. So that's why I advise most of you that chat me up, first get the skill, first learn how these things works before you now go for the money. So when you get the skill, you can now go for the money because you know that you are already you have the skill. Okay, so this is the first one, and that's just what I've just done, gotten 1,600. So let's quickly go to the site. Let me show you guys. Okay, so I will search for my Forex. Okay, I have my Forex fund here. I can click. Okay, okay, so this is my account. So this is my own account. You can see my name and every other details of mine. Okay, so now let me go to my account analysis here at this very point. Account analysis. Okay, so when I click on my account analysis, okay, so this is what I have. That is my phase one account details. Okay, so if you scroll down, this is the chart on how the your account is moving. If it goes down, the chart will go down. If you have profit, it's continue going up. Okay, so here is my equity as at now and also my balance. Okay, so look at it here, evaluation phase one demo. Okay, so I was given 30 days. I was given 30 days, but as you can see, I passed the account before the 30 days. I could have even passed it before now, but this is trading for you. You go up and then, up and then. That's why I told us that what makes you a profitable trader is not that you doesn't lose trade. You lose trade, but make sure that your number of win is more than your number of losses. Or what you win when you win should be greater than what you lose. Like my strategy, I think I have up to a 59 to 60% win rate. So at that win rate, I should make sure that anytime I win, I maximize my profits and minimize my losses. Okay, so that's the story of another day. So let's proceed on this account. Okay, so you can see the account after I passed it, it was upgraded. So the status of the account is upgraded. So here is my net profit and also my profit target. So I was given a profit target of 1,600 and my net profit is 1,600, which is 8% of the $20 I was given. So you can see my starting balance. You can see my starting balance here. Okay, so here is just an analysis of my account. My trade history are here. If you scroll down, my trading days, how many days I trade, how many lot size that I used. Okay, some other notifications. Okay, okay, this is a notification when I passed my account. Okay, so you can see this here. Okay, past profit target reached. Okay, so my IP address and all that. So guys, after passing the phase one, what is going to happen as I've just passed phase one is that they're going to give you a congratulation and message in your email. Okay, I think I have that in my email. Seriously, guys, this is okay. Let me refresh this place so that you see what I'm talking about. You see that? So it's not a screenshot. It's not a screenshot. Let me refresh again. Watch it. It's not a screenshot. Okay, so this is real. So let me show you. So after upgrading, I went to phase two. So here is my phase two. They gave me 60 days for the phase two. Here, evaluation phase two, the same amount. Okay, so what is my profit target? My profit target now is now $1,000. Okay, so my profit target is now $1,000. It's no longer 1,600. It's now $1,000. So on this $1,000, I'm going on 60 days. Okay, so I think that's all. But I've not started this phase two. I think I still have enough time to do that. I have 60 days which I've not utilized. Okay, so this is how it goes, guys. This is how it goes. This is how it goes. Um, I think I think if you wanna get this account, you just have to check on the description of the video. I will leave the link for the website. You can go register on your own, make your payment for the category you want. I think they have so many categories. They have different account sizes. Okay, so they have different account sizes. They have the 50,000, they have the 10,000, they have the 20,000. So this is what I talked about. They have the rapid account evaluation and acceleration, but what I'm interested on is evaluation. Okay, because the evaluation gives me more room to also test myself if I'm actually up and doing. Okay, so here are some of the rules. 5% daily drawdown, 12% overall drawdown, 8% profit target phase 1, and 5% profit target phase 2. Okay, 5 trading days minimum. Okay, before you could. Okay, here is the wonderful good news. How much do you get when you are given a live account? So any money you make in your live account, you have 85% profit split. So once I passed my second phase, go into my life account, any money I make in the life account, I'm going to have 85%. So if I made a $1,000, that means I have $75,000, $750 from a $1,000. I think that should be 85%. I have 750 dollar or 850. Sorry, I think I have 850. So the remaining 15% that'll make it 1,000 is their own. Okay, so that's what I'm talking about. Lowest targets in the market at just 8% phase 1 and 5% for phase 2. We are the most competitive option, so they has what it takes. I think my Forex, for me, my Forex is the most user friendly, the most I don't know. I think it's okay for me. Okay, so here is this account of $5,000. It sold at I think, let me check. It sold at $49 refundable registration fee. So once you were able to pass these phases, on your first withdrawal on the life account, they're gonna refund you your registration fee. So you can on your own, guys, make inquiries, make research on this. Okay, so I'm not just gonna give it to you as a guarantee from me. You still make your inquiries, okay, before you proceed on it. Like me, I met my inquiries, check payment methods that works in my country. Like if you're in Nigeria, I think crypto works very well. You can make your payments with crypto very easily and get your account easily. Okay, so this is just it. So they have 10,000. Okay, you see the fee and your profit target. They have 20,000, which is the one I'm doing currently. Okay, your drawdown, okay, which is 1,000. Your registration $139. so on and so forth. The house 50. Okay, your drawdown 2,500, overall 600. I think they have 1,000 more account, 100,000 accounts. So guys, this is what I mean, that for you to make money in this market, you need a capital, and my Forex and the rest of the pro firms has made it possible. Okay, so tell me that if you have $100,000 account you are trading on, why should you be chasing after the market? Why? Because you know that when you exercise patience and get a good shot, that very good shot is settled you for the week or for the month. Okay, so that's the reason why most retail traders don't make money, because they don't have fund. Okay, so get the skill. After getting the skill, there are pro firms, there are organizations that are ready to fund you once you show them that you can trade, that you know how to trade. Okay, so guys, in the next video, I'm going to make it details on how to register. Okay, go about your payment, go about being verified and getting your evaluation account. Okay, and also on next video, I think I'll drop a clue on how you can be able to manage the account very well, so that you don't go against the rules. Okay, the rules are very simple, but you got to manage it very well. Okay guys, so I'm going to stop the video here guys. So um my evaluation account phase 2 is already ready. Okay, let me show you. Look at it here. So here is my phase 2 evaluation account. Okay, so it's ready to go. So I've not made any money on it. As I told us, I've not started trading it. So this is my evaluation phase 2 account. You can see it's my Forex fund evaluation phase 2. Okay guys, so see you guys in the next video. There's nothing to hide here guys. I make everything open to you guys. I show you guys how we make the money in the market. I give you the skill. So guys, if you like this video, drop your comment, ask your questions. I'm going to explain more and more to you. See you guys in the next video. Away.